Hey guys, Chris here from Bailey Woodworks, and I just wanted to tell you that I am so thankful for everyone for reaching 10,000 subscribers. I never thought we could do it. This is a special video. I'm in the process of migrating my workshop out to the garage. I've just installed a mini split air conditioner and heater, and I just want to show you this video. This is a special one, reaching 10,000. I made it here making tops, and I thought, what better video than to make a top? So watch till the end, and thank you so much, everyone. Let's get to the live action. Hey, thanks for tuning in. While we turn this piece of wood into something fun, I also wanted to share a little bit about perseverance and how sometimes, even when we can't see it, God is working in the background. You know, perseverance is something I've had to learn a lot, both in woodworking and in life. My story is not a fun story of everything working out and privilege. We struggled a lot. My dad was a preacher, and we went without a lot of the times. Everybody else around us had good toys and good cars and the nice shoes and jeans, and we had Goodwill and Gold Circle, if anybody remembers that. So sometimes it just seemed like, when is my turn? When is my time for things to work out? James 1:4 says, "Let perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." We face many trials. Some are large and crushing like sickness and death. Others are just maybe things taking longer than we thought they should. James is saying that when we face difficulties, we shouldn't just wish them away. Instead, if we endure, God uses those very struggles to grow us, to make us stronger, wiser, and more complete. And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Romans 8:28 reminds us that even when we can't see progress, when it feels like the project is stalling or life is standing still, God is weaving all of it together for good. Not just the successes, but the setbacks too. The things that don't go right. The things that we really expected to work out. And then one of my favorites, Galatians 6:9. "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap harvest if we do not give up." This is massive encouragement to believers not to get discouraged when their good works don't seem to make an immediate difference. It's a promise that perseverance pays off. There will be a harvest, even if we can't see it yet. To the believers out there, keep spreading the word. Don't lose heart. Fight the good fight. To those that don't have a relationship with Jesus, I encourage you to reach out. Find someone you can talk to or talk in the chat. So whether it's in woodworking, building a YouTube channel, or just in daily life, don't lose heart. Keep going, because sometimes when it looks like nothing is happening, God is actually moving the most behind the scenes. Thank you again for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. I could not have done it without you. And just like this spinning top, we're going to keep moving forward together. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join us for more woodworking projects, shop tips, and encouragement along the way. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.